Unit 1 at School. Reading Skill. There's a by Madam Hazwani. Hi, Assalamualaikum. How are you? For today's lesson, we will learn on how to use there's a. Pay attention to the dialogue. Beri perhatian kepada dialog berikutnya. After school, at home.
Jim, what do you have in your bag?
Let me see. There's a book. There's a notebook. There's a pencil. How about you, Nina?
Let me open my bag. There's a pen. There's a rubber. And there's a ruler.
A book, a notebook, a pencil, a pen, a rubber, a ruler. Do you notice that there's a in front of each word? A means one. A bermaksud satu. A book, one book. A notebook, one notebook. A pencil, one pencil. A pen, one pen. A rubber, one rubber. A ruler, one ruler. It's time for homework. Take out your fun book and please prepare your pencil, your ruler, your rubber, and your colored pencils. Refer to page 23 and 29. These are page 23 and 29. Complete the exercise. Page 23. Read the words and color the correct objects. Now, refer to number 1. Read these words: ruler, book, pencil case. What you have to do is to color the correct objects. Color the ruler, color the book, and color the pencil case. Next, for page 29, you have to read and match. Read number 1. There's a pen, a pencil case, and a book on my desk. Let's find the correct picture. A pen, a pencil case, and a book. Here is the correct picture. Now, match. I hope you can answer the rest of the questions by yourself. Good luck! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.